So if you're like me and just got the Platinum card, the over $3,500 in credits and benefits shown on the Platinum card's webpage can be a bit difficult to navigate and figure out. In an effort to consolidate all of that information into one of two videos and to have an excuse to figure out all of the benefits and credits and how to use them myself, we're going to be figuring out each benefit one by one and how to use them. And obviously, there's going to be timestamps. And this is actually part 2 of the small series, so if you want to go see part 1, I will attach it right here for you to click on. But let's jump right into part 2. Up next on the tracker is the $200 Uber Cash credit. In smaller text, it says receive up to $200 in Uber Cash annually when you add your Platinum card to your Uber account. Using this credit is pretty simple, especially if you already have an Uber account that you use. Just go on the Uber app, go to the account tab, and under wallet, add your new Platinum card as a new form of payment. Then at the first of every month, you'll receive $15, but for December, you'll receive $20. One thing to remember about this credit, it is a use it and lose it credit, so like most credits on the Platinum card. So if you forget to use it at the end of the month, every month, you're essentially throwing away $15. So I personally like to set up a reminder to use it, even if it's something as small as getting a couple of cans of cat food for my cats. Because I don't know how your fur balls are, but they sometimes grow tired of their normal food, so it's a fun way to diversify each month. Up next, it's the $120 Uber One credit. It says receive up to $120 in statement credits each calendar year after you purchase an auto-renewing Uber One membership with your Platinum card. To receive this benefit, all you have to do is sign up for a monthly or annual Uber One membership and use your Platinum card as a form of payment. If you do the monthly plan, it is $9.99 per month or nearly $120 per year, which is the full credit value, or if you do the annual plan, it is $96 for the year. Uber One is a membership program that provides benefits across Uber and Uber Eats, such as $0 delivery fees, discounts on rides, member pricing, and exclusive offers. It's extremely positive to have if you're someone who tends to go on work trips a lot and needs to take Ubers and Uber Eats on the road. Next on the tracker is the $300 digital entertainment credit. It states that enrollment is required and says get up to $25 back each month on select digital subscriptions after you pay with your Platinum card. Clicking on the tracker, it takes you to a terms and conditions page and a blue button that says enroll now. The digital subscriptions that are applicable for this credit are Disney Plus, Hulu, ESPN, the New York Times, Paramount Plus, Peacock, the Wall Street Journal, YouTube TV, and YouTube Premium. Most of these digital subscriptions are under the $25 per month threshold, like YouTube Premium at $22.99 a month for a family plan, or Paramount Plus at $8.99 a month. But I do want to warn that some on this list go over the budget, so you should definitely be aware of them, such as the Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN bundle that comes in at $35.99 per month. But if you wanted Disney Plus, Hulu, and HBO Max, you'll be at $19.99 per month. I also want to warn that just because a subscription might be under the $25 monthly budget when you start, it doesn't mean that these subscriptions will stay stagnant throughout your membership. Unfortunately, they do tend to sneakily increase them when you least expect it. Once you pick out a subscription you want, just use your Platinum card as a form of payment for the monthly plan, and American Express will credit you back. Next is the $200 airline fee credit. Underneath it, it says select one qualifying airline and then receive up to $200 in statement credits per calendar year when incidental fees are charged by the airline to your Platinum card. Clicking on the tracker icon, it takes you to a page where you can make your airline selection. Qualifying airlines include Alaska Airlines, American Airlines, Delta Airlines, Hawaiian Airlines, JetBlue Airways, Spirit Airlines, Southwest Airlines, and United Airlines. So essentially most of the domestic airline companies within the United States. Normally you'd use this credit to help offset fees like checked baggage fees, overweight or oversized baggage fees, change fees, phone reservation fees, pet flight fees, airport lounge day passes, and annual memberships, seat assignment fees, in-flight amenity fees, and in-flight entertainment fees. There are ways floating around about how to circumnavigate this credit to use on actual airline tickets instead of just the things that I just listed, but I won't talk about it in this video, not to gatekeep this information as it is readily available through the interwebs, but one hack with the United Airlines did recently get patched. If I were to use this credit personally, I do fly a lot for work, and baggage is something that is usually covered with my expenses through my company, so any baggage fees I do end up paying with my credit card would directly go into my own pocket, as my company would repay the cost. You do just have to be wary of which airline you usually book flights with, as once you select one for the year, you can't change it at any point. Next is the $200 Oura Ring credit. Underneath it, it states that you can receive up to $200 back each year when you use the Platinum card to purchase an Oura Ring through auraring.com. Enrollment required. Once you hit the blue Enroll Now button, you can go to auraring.com and select your ring. Please note that the actual cost of the cheapest Oura Ring right now is currently $349, with the ceramic versions costing nearly $500. So your credit isn't going to cover the entire cost of the purchase, but it does help if you were already on the fence about getting one. This credit, however, does not cover the monthly membership cost to have an Oura Ring prescription, which costs $5.99 per month. So using this credit and buying an Oura Ring means you are signing up for a membership that will cost you $69.99 a year. Oura Ring, for those that don't know what it is a tool to help track your health, where you wear the ring that's similar to other rings that you'd normally wear on your fingers, and then through biometrics, it helps track things like sleep, fitness, stress, heart health, and more. This credit feels more like a one-time use credit unless you're getting a new Oura Ring every single year, or I guess you could plan out your Oura Ring purchase at the end of this year and then get your partner their ring right after we ring in the new year in 2027. Pun intended. Next is the $300 Equinox credit and SoulCycle at-home bike credit. Underneath it says take your workout to the next level when you use your Platinum card. Get up to $300 back each calendar year on the Equinox Plus subscription or an Equinox Club membership. Plus, get $300 back when you purchase a SoulCycle at-home bike in full. In the terms and conditions, I'm coming to understand that this is actually a $600 credit that is split up between a $300 credit that you can use on Equinox Plus subscriptions, and because you need an Equinox Plus subscription in order to use a SoulCycle bike, purchasing a SoulCycle at-home bike, you can also get a $300 credit for that when paid at full price. Looking at the website for the SoulCycle at-home bike, there is a current promotion going on where it's being sold at $1,500 instead of the normal $2,500. So in no way, shape, or form would the $300 credit be a better offer. But if you're interested, Equinox Plus is needed in order to use the bike, and the subscription usually costs $39.99 a month. So with the $300 credit, which comes out to $25 per month, it effectively make the Equinox Plus membership only $15 per month. So not the worst credit if you're already on Equinox Plus or have a SoulCycle at-home bike. Another method to using it is to simply have an Equinox membership, which ranges between $200 to $395 per month. I personally am not in the demographic of people who have an Equinox membership, so I'll never use this credit, but if you do have one, you can shave a month's worth of membership off each year with the Platinum card. So in terms of tangible benefits, the last one is the free credit for global entry or TSA PreCheck. The general recommendation on choosing whether or not between global entry and TSA PreCheck is always to opt for global entry because it does come with TSA PreCheck. What global entry is a U.S. Customs and Border Protection program allowing pre-approved low-risk international travelers to bypass long custom lines via kiosks at 75 different airports around the United States. The $120 membership, which is paid in full by the Platinum card, lasts 5 years, include free TSA PreCheck, and requires an online application, background check, and interview. TSA PreCheck is a U.S. government-sponsored trusted traveler program that allows low-risk travelers to experience faster, less intrusive security screenings at over 200 airports. Members usually are U.S. citizens or permanent residents, can leave on shoes, jackets, and belts, and keep laptops and 311 liquids in their bags. I actually made a video in the past documenting my whole experience with the application process for global entry, so I'll link that video right here for you to check out. But it's a relatively simple process. Moving over to intangible benefits, the first one I wanted to talk about was the Hilton Honors Gold status and Marriott Bonvoy Gold. Both say enrollment is required. I actually already have Hilton Honors Gold status through my Hilton Honors Surpass card, so I won't be enrolling through the Platinum card, but enrollment is as simple as having a Hilton Honors or Marriott Bonvoy membership number, which is easy to create and free, and then clicking the Enroll Now icon in the tracker of each benefit, entering your membership number for each program, and then hitting Enroll Now. Once you do have both, your account should reflect accordingly in both programs. While gold status isn't the highest tier for either the Hilton or Marriott programs, it's better than having nothing, and typically these statuses are more highly respected internationally than they are domestically. Benefits to each status include room availability, upgrades, late checkouts, and potentially food and beverage credits, so having them is always better than not having them. For instance, for my Hilton Honors Gold status, when I do travel to Honolulu for work, there's a hotel there that's attached to a gift shop, and because I have gold status with Hilton, I get a $30 food and beverage credit that I can use either at the hotel's restaurants or use it at this gift shop every day to purchase $30 worth of gifts free of charge. But if I didn't have that credit, I'd be coming home empty-handed. Next is the Leaders Club Sterling status from the leading hotels of the world, which is a loyalty program of the leading hotels of the world, a collection of more than 400 independent luxury properties worldwide. Rather than the traditional hotel group that may manage and even own some of its own properties, it markets independent properties. Leaders Club has two public tiers. One is called Club and the other is Sterling. Sterling is obviously the higher tier, which the Platinum card holders get through the Platinum card. Both tiers offer benefits such as room upgrades, breakfast, early check-in, and late checkout, but with the Sterling tier, this tier offers better similar benefits. The Platinum card already offers some really good benefits with the $600 hotel credit that is used for the Fine Hotels and Resorts collection, but with the addition to the Sterling status of the Leaders Club, it's just another way to check for the best bang for your buck bookings on luxury hotel properties. And finally, for the last intangible benefit, it's the car rental privileges, which include Avis, Hertz, and National Car Rental, which the Platinum card grants Avis Loyalty Program, Hertz Gold Plus rewards, and National Car Rental Emerald Club Executive statuses, which you can enroll through direct links curated between the rental company and American Express. Once enrollment is complete, you'll get an email confirmation. So that just about wraps up part 2 and the entire series on how to use every credit and benefit the Platinum card provides. If you watch this video first, make sure to check out part 1, which I'll link right here. Always make sure to use all of the credits and benefits on your cards so that you can get as much value as you can from them. I will say there are additional benefits that I did not list in this video as they are more subjective and hidden, for instance, the American Express and Wimbledon collaboration or the American Express and Coachella experience. Thank you so much for watching as always. Talk to everyone soon. Peace.